Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm working on a 2008 Cadillac STS. So I'm going to show you how to replace your brake fluid level sensor. So this is part number right here guys, SU1319. So let me jump into the video right away guys. So got this hook tool right here I'm going to use. So I'm going to snap this connector off. Or I can use a flat screwdriver, but this one works better. As you can see, remove it super easy. Get it out the way. Also, maybe I can use this to pop it out. And there you go, guys. So I'll pop it out, so I push it behind there and pry it out. This is the sensor, guys. So let me drop the new one in. Alright, so the new one goes in like this guys, this way. Alright, let me see if I can find the ear this goes in. Alright, it's a bit difficult because I have to feel for that slot. Alright, so get it in, snap it back in just like that guys. The connector back on, and there you go. So that's how easy it is to change your brake fluid level sensor guys. So I hope this video helped you all out there. So if you find it useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.